Hello people. Before we start, please like, share and subscribe to see more videos from For Heroes Only. Please turn on your notification to attend new videos. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the types of marketing strategies that work far better than its traditional counterpart. For one, gathering email addresses is much easier than collecting mailing addresses or phone numbers. And two, the costs are much lower, because there are no printing and postage costs with email marketing. Sending emails is free by comparison. Email challenges. Even though email marketing sounds great compared to the traditional mailing, that doesn't mean there aren't mistakes and pitfalls that can make you lose customers. We're going to go over some of these challenges and how to avoid them. Competition. Noticing a trend. Yes, all types of digital marketing strategies have a lot of competition. But that's because they work so well. Anyway, competition is inherent to email marketing. Most people get hundreds of marketing emails every day from different companies. This is thanks to bulk email marketing programs that can send hundreds of emails out in an instant. It's a big reason why many companies consider a 20% open rate for an email to be excellent. 20% may not seem like much, but when you see that 20% of people take action and make a sale, it becomes more than you think. Brand damage. If you're not careful, email marketing can hurt your brand image. For example, if you're sending out hundreds or thousands of emails to people who aren't already on your mailing list, they will consider your emails to be unsolicited spam. Buying email lists and sending emails is the easier path of least resistance. But it can be harmful to your image in the long run and also illegal if the user did not agree to receive emails from you. To avoid being labeled as a spammer, only send emails to people who have opted into your mailing list already. And if you care about your brand image, don't buy email lists. Constant sending. Email marketing is one of the types of marketing strategies that only works if you do it on a regular basis. Inconsistent sending reflects on a negative note for a business. And with that being said, you also must balance how many you send out, so that you aren't spamming. Ease of use. This is also a challenge because it's a double-edged sword. If it's easy for you to send and receive emails, then it's also easy for your readers to unsubscribe from them. That unsubscribe link will always be there. If they get annoyed or your content is not relevant, all they have to do is click it. Email design. Approximately half of all internet traffic comes from a mobile device. To leave a good impression, your emails must have a responsive design. Impersonal. Because of the nature of email marketing, it's impersonal compared to other types of marketing strategies. Now, having said that, you can still improve personalization in many ways. Some examples include using first name tags, city tags, etc. But this doesn't make up for the lack of personalization completely. People know that you're sending a template email. The only way to make up for this negative aspect of email marketing is to write valuable content. Professionalism. Projecting a professional appearance can be more challenging with email marketing. For example, if you're writing emails in a hurry, you might make grammatical mistakes or spelling errors. This can leave a bad impression on your audience. Email advantages. Now let's look at some of the advantages of email marketing, of which there are many. All the challenges are only possibilities that can be avoided with due diligence and good business practices. The following reasons are why email marketing, in the right hands, is one of the best types of marketing strategies for small business owners. Monitoring/tracking. You can track your emails to see which ones are received, which email addresses are no longer active, and which subscribers opted out of your emails. It's easier to measure the effects of an email campaign than a standard mail campaign. With almost every email marketing platform today, you can see which emails are engaging people most. This information will let you know if you're reaching your intended target audience. It will also show you if your other marketing efforts are bringing in the right people to your website. Targeting. Email marketing offers superior targeting options. It allows you to tailor different emails for different demographics. Time. A new marketing email can be made and sent out in a few hours and be received by millions of people in a matter of minutes. With email marketing, you have the power to respond to new happenings in your niche. Brand loyalty. Email marketing can help your brand if done right. Doing it right means directing people to your website or marketing funnel in your emails. This will keep your business in your readers' minds. And when they're ready to buy something that you provide, they'll think of you first. But you may be wondering how you can direct them to your site without coming across as a pushy salesman. Simple. Don't be a pushy salesman. Offering sales, giveaways, referral programs or loyalty programs, and discount codes to bring visitors to your site is fine on occasion and perfect for your event marketing. But a surefire way to get visitors to your site is to offer up some freebies. This is worth doing because you will be building a loyal customer base. And oftentimes, a loyal customer base is willing to drop more money on a brand they like, even if it's more expensive than the other options. Affordable. You can send out thousands of emails every month for only a couple $100 or less per month with some platforms. For most businesses, the revenue this generates is enough to pay for the cost of sending the emails. Effortless exposure. If someone likes what's in your email, all they need to do is forward it to their friends/family and boom, free exposure. Stay connected with us for more videos like this. Like, share and subscribe our channel.